In this video of SEO course today we will learn about SEO link wheels, which we also call link farms. What do you mean by that? This is an important video because this technique is related to black hat. Friends, learn it properly. And to avoid missing these types of important videos and upcoming courses, subscribe the channel. One more important thing, Marketing Fundas has brought Mahabundle course for each and every one, which includes more than 50 digital technical courses and skills that you, your friends and family can learn thoroughly. Through the skills, you can have growth in your job, career, business, everything. Link is given in the description. Along with that, there's also a partner program that you can join, completely free. Make sure to watch this video till the end and subscribe the channel. Let's start and learn about it. For digital marketing services, training and consultancy, you can call the numbers provided or visit our website.
So hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to talk about link wheels. All right, guys. What is this term and what does it mean? So in today's video, we will understand about this and what is called link wheels, how does it work, and also how do you use this thing. You can apply this in SEO. All right. So in link wheels, what happens is here, like basically what we do is we have big Web 2.0 platforms. Over there, we post our article like here. As you can also see in the image, all these platforms which you are seeing is Web 2.0 platforms, right? So all of these which you are seeing are Web 2.0 platforms, right? What do we do in these platforms? Basically, we create our post here, and here. So friends, what we will do is that we will be connecting it with all of them. Now let's just say that on Blogger, you have your own subdomain website, basically a Web 2.0 website, and you connected it to the Quizilla, right? So friends, there your article will be connected to this website, which is called as Blogsum. And the article you will have will be connected to your Jimdo. Okay. Then the article that will be there will be connected to the Weebly. So over here, what we do is we look at all the multiple trending popular platforms that are present Web 2.0. There are websites of 2.0. Over there, we create our own subdomain. Okay. And over there, we put our content and we link them to one another. Like there's Quizilla. We link it to Blogger and Blogger to Quizilla. We linked Quizilla to Blogsum. And then we link the Blogsum with Jimdo. Now, friends, all these websites are also directly pointing to your main website. And what they will do, they will give link. They are already linking to each other. Okay. So here, what kind of structure has been formed? Wheel structure. Now this is a wheel. See, friends, now in this gave link to this, and now it has given link to your main website. This website gave link to this website, and this website gave link to you. Right. Then he linked this website. They are also linking to each other. And friends, what's Weebly doing is they are also including the listing of Jimdo's article in their website. He is listing, right? So right here, what is happening? You are linking to each other's websites, right? Like what I did. I created an account on Blogger and created Web 2.0 website. There I posted my article and then linked it with Quizilla. And the post I made on Quizilla linked it from Blogger. So friends, I am linking the rest on Blogger from my main site and also linking these two. That means if Quizilla's post is on Blogger, it's indexed. Whatever is posted on Quizilla is of Blogger and it will be indexed. So here, what we are doing, playing the link game of internal linking and external linking. They're also linking themselves to each other. So you are also linking other platforms and also give link to main site. So basically here, a structure will be formed, a wheel structure, a linked wheel. You are linking to each other and they are connected. And what are you doing with your main website? It's passing link. Okay, you are getting backlinks from every website and also from each and every pages. WordPress.com and Go articles. These are linked and finally they also pass you the links, right? This is our link wheel. We'll discuss in advanced level what happens at the advanced level in link wheel. We can also create link wheel structures. Okay, as you can see here. What did you do here? Created more structure and also one link wheel. Those are your main points that link from this site, and that site of yours is linking with main URL, meaning the main website. This website is also linked from your main website. There is center website that is also linking from your main website. And this website is also linking. This is an advanced link wheel here, which is created. You can also create something like this. So here on a very large level, what will happen is linking will be done. So here, A complete link wheel formation will be created, and this is our account inside the link wheel. So guys, that's all in this video. We will bring more such interesting topics in upcoming videos. Till then, thank you so much.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, let me know in comment section, and also if there's anything you want to learn, mention in the comment section. If you want to take digital marketing training or services from Marketing Fundas, you can directly reach out to us. Friends, along with that, Marketing Fundas has brought the world's easiest affiliate program for each and everyone, through which you can start instant income easily. That too in a genuine way. There's a link in the description. Click it or call and get all the details from our manager and enroll. Thank you for watching Marketing Fundas.